Hi, my name is Emily Blackwell and I am a Principal Landscape Architect at LUC based in Manchester. I have worked with the Regen team at Flintshire for several years now, initially on a series of town centre green infrastructure audits throughout 7 of the town centres across the county, and then most recently on the RIBA4 detail design work for 3 pocket parks in Shotton, all of which have been underpinned by Flintshire's local placemaking plans. Our work with Flintshire has been highly collaborative and creative and really truly inspirational, certainly most recently at the speed which our designs have gone from a drawing on a screen to on the ground within a matter of months, and this is all thanks to the UK shared prosperity funding. Within Shotton, we have taken existing public realm spaces and uplifted and refurbished them, reusing existing materials on site where possible and integrating new areas of inclusive seating and biodiverse planting. The spaces have been designed to celebrate the local history and culture of Shotton and contribute towards creating attractive public realm for the local community and visitors alike. Without this vital SPF funding to move from ideas into detailed design, it would be extremely challenging to turn vision into reality and get the spades in the ground.